Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to change the tender in Axanta point of sales. So let's take a scenario where a customer is buying the products from cash, but mistakenly the cashier selected the payment method as a card and completed the transaction. Or let's say a customer changes their payment method, but the transaction is already posted in the system. So let's perform one transaction. We will select few items from item search here. Let's select this item and we will select another one. Now, instead of cash payment, we will select the cards and process the transaction. To correct this and change the tender type, we will go to Manager's Task. We will click on Show Journal. Here, we can find all the transactions which we have made. So we can filter out as per the date, type, staff, receipt ID, and customer as well. So we want to change the tender for the last transaction we made. So this was our last transaction. Under payment tabs, we can verify which tender type the transaction was made. Now, to change the tender, down below, there is one option change tender. We will click on it. We can see the current tender type, and here we can select which tender type we want to change. So from this search option, we will search the tender type. So let's select cash here and click on OK. As we can see, new entry has been made for the type as a change tender. Here we can see the receipt ID from which the tender has been changed. One thing we have to make a note here is in the original transaction there won't be any changes in the tender type. Whole new entry would be made for any change tender and with the receipt ID. So this is how we can change the tender from Axanta point of sales. Thank you.